Welcome to our video on how to get to the Oryx Airport Hotel when resting or staying overnight between connecting flights inside the Hamad International Airport in Doha, Qatar. This video describes and shows you the steps you will need to take to get to the Oryx Airport Hotel. First, words of caution. Do not, I repeat, do not exit and go through immigration. If you do, no worries. We have included specific instructions at the end of this discussion for what to do to get back into the transit area and ultimately to the hotel. If you're a transit passenger, follow these easy steps to reach the hotel. First, after landing and arriving at your gate at the airport, follow the transfer signs and cross the security checks to enter the transfer transit areas. Look out for a huge, and I mean huge, iconic towering yellow teddy bear in the middle of the terminal. It's a landmark that'll guide you in the right direction. Once you spot the bear, head towards gates C, D, and E, and you'll find elevators beside the flight upgrade desks. Take the elevator to the third floor, and you'll arrive at the Oryx Airport Hotel. But if you've gone too far and cleared immigration, don't worry. Simply check in again, pass through immigration at departures, and then make your way back to the transit areas to reach the hotel. Don't forget to have your onward flight boarding pass ready to clear immigration. That's it. With these simple steps, you'll be relaxing at the Oryx Airport Hotel in no time. Happy and safe travels.